Oh no, sir, I need some help. I've got artillery incoming. Boom. Oh no. Medic! Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I want to let you in on a little tip, little secret of how to put your broken G.I. Joe figures, how to make them work again. Okay, here's the secret sauce, friends. You'll need a rubber band. So what you'll need is you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a number 1 tip, and you'll need a rubber band. And you'll need some fingers that can hold multiple things at one time. So here's how we do this. We're gonna take the screw out of the back of your G.I. Joe figure. Do not lose that. Do this in a safe spot, not in the dirt, preferably. Then you're going to take the body apart. Usually this rubber band inside is what breaks. So here's how we're gonna fix this. We are going to set this guy up for success. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a rubber band, we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut a rubber band. I usually like to use a thicker rubber band. It makes it harder, but it ends up being a better product. And so now we're gonna cut it and we're gonna retie it. The reason we did that is we want a small loop. The smaller you can get it, the better your G.I. Joe guy will be. So then we're just gonna tie a knot in here. Tie it nice and tight. So now I have a small little loop. I'm gonna cut off any extra. Now, what I'm gonna do, this is the hard part of the whole thing. All right, little change of venue. So here we are performing surgery on this G.I. Joe guy. I don't know what his name is. What name should we give him? Bruce? Let's give him Bruce. He looks like a Bruce Wayne. Look at that hair. What a stylish guy. All right, Bruce. Sit back. Relax. Actually, you lay down. We don't want you walking anywhere. Oh, you can't. Oh, bad joke. Okay. Take out his screw. Do not lose that. And then let's flip him over. I have installed these guys before, back in my younger days, with the head on backwards. And then you gotta ask yourself, is it that important that the head is on forwards? And yes, it is. So you gotta take it apart. So now that we have him laid out here, you can't get it perfect. You try to get it close. Then, now's the tricky part, like we talked about earlier. We gotta get a rubber band and we gotta cut it. And then we gotta retie it, but we gotta tie it super small. The smaller, the better. It makes it difficult when it's super small, but you need to tie it very small. And I had to find a different rubber band, and I'm pretty sure this rubber band is from a bunch of bananas. So look at that, a new life for a rubber band that came from some bananas. What a deal. Okay, so now we pinch this together and we stick it through the legs. Many times I have to get like something small, like a stick or a screw or an Allen wrench or something to kind of feed it back through. I don't want to use my knife because that could cut it. This seems to work pretty well. Now what we're doing is we're taking that hook We're hooking that on that rubber band. We're pulling that up through the legs. There we go. I'm sure you can tell what comes next. Now, we try to do this without losing the body. We're sticking that on there. This is a tough part because now you have this part that we have tied on. Yeah, this is going to be a rough one. I want to get that rubber band to where it's back here on that hook. Yeah, this is going to be enjoyable. This is kind of one of those 2 steps forward, 3 steps back type of deal. But you got to ask yourself, is the cost worth it? To save a life of a G.I. Joe guy, it absolutely is. So you may get frustrated, but remember, you're doing it for Bruce. Sorry. Sometimes it gets tedious and it just helps to talk to yourself. Sometimes it does not help to talk to yourself. Come on, Bruce, work with me. Okay. Got that rubber band on. See, we were so close at that one point, and it just wasn't perfect. So the enemy of a job done is perfection. You think, oh, just a little bit more. And then it doesn't work out. So we have it in here. We got that in there. We're going to try to get the arms on, and then we'll have to stick the arms, the head. Come on, Bruce. And we're gonna have to try to get this guy. See that now the arm is popping out. Can we live with this guy having one arm? No, we can't. We got to do it for Bruce. Bruce needs 2 arms and a head that works. All right, Bruce. Nope, you got to get that neck in there. Come on, brother. You can do it. Do it for the children. Make sure that this is tight in there. We are almost there. We did not lose our screw. Screw is in. It gets tightened up. Bruce is reborn. He's a little bit looser. But do we care? I don't. He's just a better dancer now. Yeah. Thumbs up. Ish. There you go, friends. Thanks for watching me. And you can fix your G.I. Joes like this if you need to. He works just fine. And
now you know.
And knowing is half the battle.